Good morning, guys. So, I received an email coming from Immigration Refugees Citizenship Canada just this morning. Nabuksan ko ang email. So, ito ang sabi, yan. Yan ang email sa akin ngayon this morning. Sabi dito, change to work experience requirement for applicants under the Home Child Care Provider and Home Support Worker Pilot. So, ito yung program ko. Nung ang pasok ko dito sa Canada. Sabi dito, change to work experience requirement for applicants, right? So, email is today, June 28, 2024. Sabi dito, Dear client, this is to inform you that effective June 16, 2024, the work experience requirement to qualify for permanent residence under the Home Child Care Provider Pilot Program has been reduced from 12 months to 6 months. So, binabaan po nila. Kasi, di ba yung entry ko dito, ang ano is 12 months. But instead, binabaan nila into 6 months. Experience gained outside Canada is now eligible. So, if you are from the outside, naka-experience outside, so eligible. This means for applicants under the gaining experience category that you will no longer need 12 months of qualifying work experience. If you already have at least 6 months of qualifying work experience acquired in Canada or outside Canada, you can follow. There's a link po. Follow the instructions on website to send us proof of your experience. So, yun. And then, you can now also submit work experience that you gain in 36 months before you submitted your permanent residence application. So you should carefully gather and review your documents before submitting them to us. We will make a final decision in your permanent residence application based on information you have submitted. So, you will still have 36 months kasi ang kontrata ko is 36 months after we issue your occupation restricted open work permit to provide us proof of your work experience in support of your permanent residence application. So, yun lang po ang sinabi. May mahaba pang information dito on how are we going to send our proof of experience. So, instead of 12 months, binabaan po nila ng 6 months. Yay! So, ano na ako ngayon? I started to work here. March 1, dumating ako February 27. So, I started to work March 1. So, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So, around September, pwede na po ako mag-file ng permanent residence. Permanent residency na papers ko. So, yun lang po. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Amazing si Lord karong buntag. Yes. Oh, amazing man si Lord. Every day is amazing. He's amazing. But I have great news today. So, yun lang po.